Hello everyone, I'm Gunjika Mishra. I am the founder of Power Woman Hub, and presently I am the National President of Home and Security at the Women's Indian Chamber of Commerce and Industry. Basically, I'm so grateful to you, Hashim, and all these amazing rock stars with whom I attended this 3 day session. Whenever मैं कहीं पे फंसती हूँ, God send someone. Incredible value for money. आप इस कोर्स के लिए 1 लाख भी दो तो कम है. I am going to recommend this course to everyone, and most important था मेरे लिए business plan बनाना. और जो highlight रहा वो जो आज हमने exercise की, जो 90 days activities, opportunities, limiting beliefs, all those things which we did, and identified that one reason why I want to do this, and also identifying the various activities and sub activities. That was powerful. Then also using LinkedIn as a lead generation system. So that was, or branding. So thanks to this workshop, I have a branding expert whom I can refer to. And I know the power of branding before going all out. So, and definitely, yes, through this workshop, I also realized the deep fears I have about selling and how I will be overcoming them. I want to end through Saurabh's amazing lesson. If you want to kill competition, collaborate. So I'm just going to collaborate full on. Thank you so much, Hashim. Thank you so much, everyone. Thank you.